What's up, guys? If you got a s13 240sx, if you got a few sending unit issue, the wiring come off and you're in a hurry, I'm pretty sure you got one of these clips. Alright, so what do you do? Just put it through there, and also this side, just get that, cut it from there, then you put it on this side, right there, and just tighten it. It's tightened from this side so the gas won't leak. If you see there, just tighten it harder, and check the continuity. Make sure it's not got continuity with the ground. Oh, cheers.